As an informative presenter, you are teaching something to your audience. In this case, you need to make sure that you are defining, describing, explaining, and demonstrating all of your points and terms. When you are defining in your informative presentation, you're simply revealing your intended meaning of the term. This is especially important if the term is technical, not used very often, or if it's scientific, so if it's jargon. There are three ways that you can define your term. You can give the connotative meaning, the denotative meaning, or its etymology. You can also compare and contrast things, give examples of them, or use synonyms or antonyms. These are all ways to clear up the meaning of a term you're using. When describing in your speech, you're effectively talking about characteristics or features of the term you're using. This relies on your ability to use precise, specific, and colorful language. So the more detailed your adjectives are, the better sense of meaning your audience will get. Go ahead and press pause to read an example of a proper description. When explaining, you're effectively letting your audience know how something works, why it happened, or how it should be evaluated. Take a look at the example here and note the difference between a good explanation and a mediocre one. When you demonstrate things in your speech, it makes it more visible, tangible, and concrete in the minds of your audience. This really helps them to understand what it is you're trying to get across. You can demonstrate things as simple as filling out a form or performing a CPR technique. Make sure you're using time words like first, next, and last so your audience doesn't get lost in the process.